Because you, unlike me, have no money to buy the dip. Because when crypto is high, you're sitting around hopium. I'm working as hard as possible to buy more during a dip. So I have money. You don't have any.
So Bitcoin's lost 45% in value in the last 6 months. That's clearly been a rough ride for retail holders. A lot of people are seeing red in their portfolios, and many are getting twitchy and nervous, especially crypto investors. Now, Andrew Tate, on the other hand, however, he's buying. He's just bought $2 million of Bitcoin. This is the moment he's been waiting for. It's a dip that he wanted. He was waiting for this moment.
Is you understand crypto is going to the moon, so you need to stop reading about crypto. Stop telling everyone about crypto. Stop trying to explain to your aunt why her 401k is not a good investment, because it doesn't help you and it doesn't help her, and you're ruining dinner. Just stop and instead get a job and make some money to buy more crypto so that when it finally goes up, you actually have real wealth.
So Tate and his confidence, his big purchase, it could give nervous retail holders confidence to hold. But for me, as a more conservative old economy investor, I feel that Bitcoin has more downside to it. And yes, the same with tech, the same with other risk on assets in general. Big money, in my opinion, is rotating to other sectors and other areas of the world, other geographical locations for now, in my opinion. Like I say, none of this is investment advice. For me, I think Bitcoin will struggle to get back to its 2025 highs this year. And that's largely due to the rotation of capital. Just as a disclaimer, I'm personally not a big believer in Bitcoin. In my opinion, it's a hype play. It's a bubble. It's an extended bubble. It serves no real function in the real world. Of course, it's an instrument that I would trade, but I just don't believe in it as a long term investment, a long term hold. Perhaps some of Tate's followers, and even Tate himself, will buy in at this range and manage a mid-term trade or even a short-term trade. Who knows, depending on how the market reacts. Andrew Tate and other crypto bros buying is just not enough. It's not enough to stop a further sell-off, in my opinion. This is all speculation. It's an individual speculating, offering his opinion. There's institutional and whale rotation taking place, leaving many to rush to the exit doors. Once that all settles down, then we could possibly start seeing Bitcoin find some support and a base. Maybe at that point I'll reassess at that point. But in the meantime, I guess Tate and his followers will use this period for accumulation. That's really his message to his supporters. His message is basically get more cash to accumulate during this dip. That's his message. Now, I don't personally agree with his message if one has a long term horizon. None of this is financial advice, it's all for entertainment purposes.